All right, we are here at the Circle K in Affton, Missouri. Today I've got a chauffeur to help out with this experience. So this is one of the rare Circle Ks that has not gotten the Mark VII, ChoiceWash upgrade around here by the looks of it. I think this has still got an old LaserWash 4000. Jason just noticed that it might actually be broken, even though it was just sold to me at the pump. So we're gonna pull around and check it out. We will see. The prices also have not been adjusted either. The top wash is still just $13 here. I can't see where it is from over here. If it's sitting to the side or if it's actually closed. Nope, it's just sitting to the side. Good. Yeah, this is still an old LaserWash 4000. But the weird thing is too, it even got like the new pay station with new branding out here. It's really interesting that they left this one. It's got the old signage too. Wash code is printed on the receipt.
Well, this continue and start over, okay.
Please enter your code by touching the... Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
This thing actually looks like it's in really good shape. I like how the clear coat protectant just stays on the entire cycle. Oh, whoa, they have a Ryko Thrust Pro dryer in here. How weird. What's that, a little superhero saying thank you? It doesn't completely work. That big piece is supposed to drop down, but I wonder where they ended up with a Thrust Pro. These things don't work that great when the thing doesn't drop down. Yeah, that didn't do much for us, did it? And these things are great when they work properly. Huh. How strange, just in general. Like, that was actually, the system itself did a really nice job, minus the gantry sounding like it was just gonna fall apart throughout the entire wash. Like, actually, the wash cycle was great. The machine looked like it was in really nice shape. It's just weird that this one has survived the Mark VII-fication of all the locations in St. Louis, and that it has like this random Ryko dryer too. Maybe this location just doesn't get enough traffic. I mean, I wouldn't replace it either. I like that a lot better than ChoiceWash personally. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. All right, I figured getting an outside shot at the gas station wasn't going to do us much good because the car was so wet. So you could see, minus a little bit on the front, getting on the highway kind of dried it off. And it was good spot-free water. I don't see any spots on the whole car. So yeah, that was a nice wash. All right, hope you guys enjoyed.